Hey, Steve Zonard here at Trevisa Realty. We're in Ibis Landing. This is a Lanai community, a golf course community. So let's talk about the HOA fees for this manor home. So you're at $460 per month. It includes lawn and irrigation and maintenance, bulk internet, and a golf membership. So $460 all in with golf. I think that's a great deal. This is a very large model, 3+1 bedroom, 3 bathroom, 2,444 square feet. Let's have a look. This is a triple car garage too, which is great. What I like what they did with Ibis Landing too is a different color codes, right? So nice, I like these grays, they're really nice, they're pleasant. Also the stone works quite nice. This is like a real nice accent when you're actually driving down the road. It looks really pretty. But let's have a look. So this is all, obviously all concrete. Double door entry, which is nice. Yeah, this is like their, their stellar model for Pulte. This is their highlight. This is one of their best models. I think it's really great, like living space. What do you think we should do? We should mix it up. We'll go through living space first and we'll hit the bedrooms. Yeah, let's do that. So look, massive family room. Again, this camera's not gonna do it justice. This is a very large living area. Really nice. And again, kitchen, massive island, great entertaining space. You can see already the manor's got better upgrades. I mean, these are all the same though, but like they're shaker cabinets, but better quality than say the other ones other properties we were looking at through Lanai. So you kind of see this like in the Trevi had the similar design, like the 4 cabinets, pantry. Then this area kind of shrank down, so they're kind of going with the same concept. There you go, your pantry here. That's good. This is very usable space. And then you got your, like a nice cafe area, like an eating area. And it's a great size. Like this is gotta be about an 84-inch table for sure. Like a general like dining table, 6 chairs. Yeah, so let's continue going. We'll do the back here, do the bedrooms after. So this is cool. Again, I always like this, right? So you have like your enclosed area. You can kind of eat, dine here, or even set it up as a family room. Maybe mount a TV on this wall and set it up with some couches. You still have your access to your master bedroom. Yeah, and this is your pool. You're gonna start to see they're very generic. This is what you're gonna get. I don't know what the package costs. Usually, in theory, it's like $70,000 without the spa and $100,000 with the spa. That's, again, we'd have to check for you guys when you're buying, but that's usually the cost of them. Yeah, that's it. So let's hit the master bedroom. We'll hit the other bedrooms, and then we'll go from there. Let's hit the master bedroom here. Again, Summerville. We've done these many times, but just to kind of give you an idea. So yeah, big, obviously it's a massive space here, and you got access to the patio, which is great. And then this is going to be your ensuite here. So huge. 2 walk-in closets. His and her different sections here, washing stations. This is great. I gotta be honest. Man one side, woman one other side. It's always best, obviously, because nothing cross-pollinates like makeup and stuff like that. Again, very large shower, very useless in a sense, but there's an option for you. Like ultimately, if you did a nice bathroom renovation here, you can do a lot with this space for sure. Like create a real typical spa. And that's it. And just your water closet there. Just a generic water closet. Let's talk about the other bedrooms. Yeah, look at this. This is awesome. Such nice space. And the double doors, all the light coming in, right? Hey, this is cool. If you have an option, because it does have a tray ceiling, do the option of the tray. I don't think they're going to offer you these beam ceilings, but they'll give you the tray. Then you can hire someone later to kind of do these beam ceilings, which are great. But it looks nice. Like it's got that coastal look to it, coastal contemporary. Yeah, laundry room off the garage, and this is going to be a triple car. Yeah, it's perfect. This is going to be what your air handler. Okay, it's a good idea actually. It's in your garage. It's not a part of the house. We find now the neighbors in these single stories, the attics, they're basically creating areas in there like for storage, which is great. And we'll do this bedroom here. We got other guests in the property. Again, this is like a secondary master suite, so you have a full bathroom here. gotta lock it. This would be just a generic closet. Here. Yes, this is your flex room, like a den. Again, if you need another bedroom, this can be set up as a 4th bedroom. Well, it's good. It's good. A lot of space. Remember, it's almost 2,500 square feet ground floor. So if you kind of, put a second story on you, you'd be over 5,000 square feet of living space. So you got to remember that's how the main floor is playing out. Full bathroom again. And that's it. And this is your 3rd and last bedroom. And that's it, guys. If you have any questions regarding these properties here at Ibis Landing, give us a call, 647-962-4372, or send us a message. We'll be happy to answer all your questions and help you through the process of purchasing one of these properties. Again, we'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.